Hello loves, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be doing an experiment on these books that I found at the bins. I did see one of my YouTube resellers. She said that she washed hers in a towel. She wrapped them up in a towel. So I'm going to do an experiment today to see if you can machine wash these and they survive. Please do not do this at home. This is my experiment. These cost me less than $2.50. So I can do the experiment on these. You can see the condition of them. They're not in bad condition, but we're going to see if we're able to wash the fuzzies and see if they survive. So I'm just going to take these apart really quick. And I took this one off already. It's just a snap there. And I'm going to do it to the other side without breaking it. Now, this is a new one. A new style that I found. I never seen buttons like this. And it still has the, like, suede under it. That's why I didn't think you could wash it. But we're about to find out if you can wash it today. And these are tough to get out. You have to be patient and just wiggle it off. And I like to pull it up to one side and pop the button through the hole. And don't force it. Just keep wiggling it. See? And it'll come off. All right. One down. See how dirty it is? It's not that bad on the inside, but it is dirty around here. I'm going to do this one. So now we have both of them out. Now we have both of these out. I'm going to grab a towel and put it on a light, gentle cycle and wash both the inside and outside. But she said to wrap it in a towel. So let me find a towel. All right, so I got a towel. I'm just gonna put everything in the towel and wrap it. I know it's not gonna stay in the towel, so I'm still gonna follow her instructions. So let's see if this works. Okay, so I'm going to put it on small. Then I'm going to put it on warm, cold. And then I'm going to put it on, where's my gentle? My gentle cycle 4, the shortest one. The little button gets away. Right there. I'm going to use this all clean and clear free. Or the cleaning solution. Okay, so stacking it didn't work, so now I'm going to spread it out in the towel where it can go around the ring. I still have the tub with the ring, so a ring in the middle, tumbler or whatever it's called. So I spread it out, and now I'm going to wrap it back up where it fits all the way around the wash. All right, so They're all done. So we're just gonna pull them out and let them dry. I'm not gonna put them in the dryer. Ooh, that one looks like it lost shape a little bit. Looks like it lost some shape. Ooh. This one looks okay. I don't know if it's cleaner though. We could have did that with my normal cleaning solution. Oh, there's a lot of water in them. Okay. Take them out of the washing machine. I'm gonna put some tissue paper in there so they don't lose form. And we'll do a side-by-side. And I'll have to take some tweezers and get all that debris out of the fur. There's no way around doing that. These took on a lot of water, which I think they can withstand. So I'll just dry these off. Let these dry overnight with some forms in there so they don't lose their shape. And we'll check them in the morning. So I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, so here are the end results after I picked them. The fabric to get all the debris out, cleaned them. If you don't know the cleaning solution that I use to clean the shoes, I'll link the video below with the recipe in there. And I'll also be doing some more Croc videos this month. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, leave a comment what Crocs you want me to clean next. And until next time, I'm going to do a side-by-side really quick for you guys in a photo. I think they came out pretty good. I don't know if the fuzzies are as soft. Well, right there it is. As they were doing the washing machine experiment. But all in all, it did a pretty good job. I just don't know how long. See how that is? Made the fur a little bit thinner. But in all, it did a pretty good job. I don't know if I'll do it again, but it did clean the shoes, so I can't complain. So I'll see you guys in the next Croc video.
Thank you, Fluffy.